getting hot out and I just want to look bronzy, glowy with super rosy blush cheeks. I like to start out with the Arborian CC Red Correct for my redness areas, almost as a primer. Getting ready for the Fenty Beauty event here in LA, and I might be able to meet Rihanna. Since we're celebrating the new Fenty Beauty Soft Lift Foundation, I'm gonna use a bit. Because I'm oily, for more radiant foundations, I like to focus it on my high points and then blend it into the rest of my face. I packed so badly for this trip, you guys. This is the only contour wand I packed, and she's hanging on to dear life. It's okay, we make things work around here. I'm gonna put some on my hand first. A damp beauty blender and slowly work her way into her cheekbones. A tip to blend out your contour: take some of your foundation and just blend out these harsh lines. I'm gonna use a slightly lighter shade of concealer on the inner part, darker shade on the outer part. Because I want a bright under eye, but I don't want the whole part to be bright. Also, I like to blend and set each area one by one so that the concealer is freshly blended before I set it. We're gonna layer hella blushes today. First with a darker red blush shade. This is the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush. And I blend this closer to my contour, almost acting as a transition blush shade. We're gonna slowly work our blush upwards. Second layer, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Cream Blush, blending this in the middle area right on my cheekbones. Final blush layer, I'm gonna grab this baby pink, blend her right on the under eye here, bringing this onto the temple as well. Just to blend this part out, take some concealer, your beauty blender, and just like look at the difference. Since I've just freshly blended the concealer, I like to set it first before I blend out this side. Also, look up as you're setting so you're not setting your creases. This is the Armani Luminous Silk Glow Blush. Letting the cheeks have a moment, so very simple eyes. Notice how the shimmer is really close to the brow bone? We're gonna put some right there. Look at that. I'm gonna do a brown lip liner. This is a Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade Riri. Oh, I love this. Oh, this glam is glamming. Final touch, I'm gonna take a serum, or you can also use a moisturizer, because I want a bit more glow but not a shimmery highlight. And the key is to dab it on and not rub so you don't rub any of the makeup off. Like, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, today's a good makeup day. I'm obsessed with this glam. I feel so pretty.